Guys, as you could see in this channel of my father, I kept a timer here of 30 seconds. And when you go to 101, I completed it in 22 seconds. As you could see here. So I'm gonna try to beat that record right now. My own record. So, let's jump into the intro. So yeah, I need to break my record of 22 seconds. I have timer by my side, but there might be a timer for you guys over here somewhere. On top of my head, side of my head, on my face, I don't know. Wait, did I keep 30 seconds? Really? Yeah, 22 seconds. That was exact world record. To be exact, it was 21, but it was rounded up to 22 by myself. I literally grew one number. I didn't minus one number. I grew one number. That's legal. So let me just. Bro, could you shuffle this for me? I have an idea. Up, left, down, right. These methods I didn't told in this channel though. If I did, if you know. I'm just gonna shuffle it, like scramble it, bro.
Why do you even spend money on those? Hey, do you have any sunscreen? Oh, thanks. Hey, do you have any chocolate?
Yep.
Oh, thanks.
Every single pot.
Oh, perfect.
Every single pot. Literally. This is gonna be hard.
Hey, do you have any? Nice.
So 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ready for a trip? Got my backpack. Got my backpack. Got my backpack. Got my backpack. Which one?
And this is not gonna be in first try, guys. This is gonna take more than one try. So watch till the end if I bet the world record. The excuse me, did the 22 seconds already complete?
Oh man, I got a pimple.
Not even done.
Man, I'll just get some sun on it.
Let me just complete it and retry. Not to a good start. Guys, subscribe to the channel would be inspirational for me. Honestly. Dude, why didn't I do it in 22 seconds, bro? I think I broke the cube just right there. Let's go. I shuffled it like last time in my father's video. However, I just did it.
Yeah, guys, it's not every day that a perfect girl just walks on by. Yeah, I already know you're right.
Okay. Come on, this tab. Let's do this, guys. Just gonna hate this. I guess.
Here's the plan. First, I'm riding on the Johnny Miller. Then Josiah comes in with the mariachi band. And then...
Okay. Yo, 15 seconds. There was 15 seconds remaining there. The time is still going. That means I did it. 22 minus 15. 7 seconds. Yo, I swear I didn't fake this. I literally shuffled it in front of you guys. And the timer just ended. Bro. That was amazing. So I break my own record. 22. A huge decrease. 7. I need an appreciation. Come on, like the video. Come on, do it. Well. I'm gonna cry for a few days.
Yep.
Well,
You're up, buddy.
what are you looking at now?